This is my shadow. All right. We made all our own trusses. Got half of them up. Got all the sheeting on the walls. I forgot what I had in the last video. There's the rest of the trusses, except for the end truss. I still got to make that. That's next. But you can see we got them all up, and we're looking good. All the inside walls are framed up. I just stubbed my toe. Ow. I didn't cuss though. That's pretty impressive. Ow. That's what happens when you bolt a piece of wood to the floor for a jig. You just kick them when you're looking at your camera. So we're looking good. See you next time.